Does your Diva completely mispresents your self-drawing? Does it look like this? Then don't worry, Diva is not defective, and in this video I will show you how you can easily fix this. Hi, my name is Diana and welcome to the world of Diva. Today I will show you how you can easily fix this mispresentation of your own drawing on Diva. Here we have the chalkboard that comes with the Diva in the box, and here you can see the drawing that I prepared, and now we will just take a picture of it in our Diva app. You just need to open your Diva app, and on the home page you will see replace the content, choose your location, select camera, and then we will try and take a picture. Here you can see that there is an optimize for chalk card option. For now we will not turn it on, and we'll see what happens. So here you can see how it looks like if you don't take care of the lightning and of your fingers being in the picture and you don't turn on this feature for optimize this for chalkboard. Now I will take another one where you won't be able to see my fingers, and we will turn on this option. Now we can see in the preview that content looks right. I will click next to assign it to my Diva. We have to wait about 5 minutes for content to change. So now you can see that the whole thing looks completely alright as it was painted on a chalkboard. This is it for this video, and see you in the next one.